So for when you're placing a Russian lash, come in with your pickup tweezers and see the way I'm pulling that lash right the way across, and I'm isolating really wide. And then what we're going to do is place our fan with a tiny bit of glue, as I've shown you before, and you're going to place that right in at the root of the lash. Don't swipe, hold for 5 seconds, and that place it on the lash, and then you can let go, and that's placed beautifully. Not too much glue. If you use too much glue, it's going to drip through and your lashes are going to get stuck to the bottom. So always be checking that you've not got any bottom lashes stuck. So what I suggest is then you're going to go to the other eye and put another lash on there, and you're going to build a structure going around. So if you place a 12, place a 10, place an 8, place an 11, and you're going to build that structure round so that it's very easy for you to fill in between. And you have to try to cover every single lash. So don't go right next to this one that you've just put on. Your next one, you can put a 10 and you can come over here. So I can demonstrate doing that now. Let me just come into your section where your 10s are. You can see where I put that on the pad. Isolate a lash, pick up your size 10, place it straight on the lash and hold for 5 seconds. So you've got a 12 on, a 10, and then what you're going to do is come in and place another one here. So you can just isolate again. We'll place another lash in this section here. This is why it's so important to write your lash mapping on the, doesn't matter how experienced you are, it's so important. Then you're going to place that there and let that hold. So you're gradually going to cover every single lash, and then what I would do then is put one here so you can fill very easily in between. But if you've got your lash map, you're not going to have a problem placing the lashes. Make sure you cover every single lash, but it's so much easier because these are pre-made.